video we have discussed about oxygen cycle. In this video we are going to learn about nitrogen cycle. What we are going to learn about nitrogen cycle? Before going inside nitrogen cycle, we have to understand what is nitrogen. Nitrogen is most abundant element in our atmosphere. Is crucial of life. In the water we drink, in the air we breathe, nitrogen makes up 78% of the air we breathe. Nitrogen is present in all living things, including human body, plants, and animals, and soil also. And its most important element also for living organisms by the synthesis of amino acid, proteins, and enzyme. What happens if there is no nitrogen? Root system and plant growth are stunted. Older leaves turn yellow. Decrease in crop production and life of microorganisms becomes endangered. In atmosphere, its concentration is 78%. The circulation or cyclic movement of nitrogen from the atmosphere, physical or abiotic component to soil, biotic component and back into the atmosphere, it is known as nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle process involves the following steps. There are 5 steps of nitrogen cycle: nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and last one is denitrification. Let's discuss one by one. Nitrogen fixation. Conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia for living organism is known as nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, this process is carried out by leguminous plants such as groundnut plants, even some bacteria. Some bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen, for example, Clostridium, Azotobacter, Nostoc, and Anibina. Next one is nitrogen assimilation. Nitrogen assimilation, this process of absorbing ammonia and nitrates into organic nitrogen is known as nitrogen assimilation. This organic nitrogen is transferred into animals' body when plants are eaten by animals. Ammonification, the process of converting of organic nitrogen into ammonia when animals die is known as ammonification. This process was carried out by some saprophytes like fungi and bacteria. Ammonia is also produced from volcanic eruption and excretory products of animals. The next one is nitrification. The bacteria which is involved in nitrification is known as nitrifying bacteria. Ammonia is first converted to nitrates, for example, Nitrococcus and Nitrosomonas. Here, nitrites are converted to nitrates and this bacteria for help. Nitrobacter, for example, Nitrobacter. Next one is denitrification. Denitrification, the process nitrates are converted into molecular nitrogen through the nitric oxide is known as denitrification. In order to maintain the equilibrium of nitrogen in the atmosphere, for example, Thiobacillus denitrification and Pseudomonas denitrificans, Micrococcus denitrificans. Problem with increase of nitrogen: acid rain formation, acidification of soil and lakes, increase in death of plants. In the summary, in nitrogen cycle, nitrogen moves from the air to soil, soil to plants and animals, and back to air again. Nitrogen is removed from air mainly by action of nitrogen fixing bacteria in the soil. The nitrogen enters plants which are eaten by animals. The nitrogen is returned to the soil by decay and by animal waste. Chemical processes that occur in the soil that release the nitrogen back into the air. Human activities influence the release of nitrogen into the air of water. So I hope you understood how much important part of nitrogen cycle. The most important part of the cycle is bacteria. Bacteria help the nitrogen change between states, so it can be used when nitrogen is absorbed by the soil. Different bacteria help it to change states, so it can be absorbed by plants. Thank you.